Welcome to this tutorial on how to book activities in Cancun with Expedia. Cancun is a popular tourist destination in Mexico known for its beautiful beaches and vibrant culture. Expedia is a leading online travel agency that offers a wide range of activities and tours in Cancun. To book activities in Cancun with Expedia, start by visiting the Expedia website and clicking on the Things to Do tab. From there, enter Cancun as your destination and select the dates you will be visiting. You will then be presented with a list of available activities, including snorkeling trips, cultural tours, and water sports. You can filter the activities by price, duration, and rating to find the ones that suit your interests and budget. Once you have found an activity you like, click on it to read more details and reviews from other travelers. To book the activity, click on the Book Now button and enter your travel dates and the number of people in your group. You will then be asked to create an account or log in to your existing Expedia account. After that, you will be taken to a payment page where you can enter your payment details and confirm your booking. Make sure to read the cancellation policy and terms and conditions before completing your booking. It is also a good idea to check the activity provider's reviews and ratings to ensure you are booking with a reputable company. Additionally, consider booking activities in advance to avoid sold-out situations, especially during peak travel seasons. By following these steps, you can easily book activities in Cancun with Expedia and have a great time exploring this beautiful city. Remember to always read reviews and check the cancellation policy before booking any activity. With Expedia, you can enjoy a wide range of activities and tours in Cancun, from relaxing on the beach to exploring the ancient Mayan ruins.